Panasonic Ceiling Array Microphone WX-AM800. This ceiling-mounted microphone captures the speaker's voice from above, reducing the need for layout changes and preparation while enabling stress-free hybrid meetings and classes. One WX-AM800 ceiling array microphone covers an area of 30 feet by 30 feet. Up to 4 channels of audio can be used with our ceiling array microphone. Panasonic's ceiling array microphone features beamforming technology that controls directivity and emphasizes sound sources from specific directions. It accurately captures the speaker's voice from a special area created in our software, the Microphone System Configuration Center, or MicCC, and supports multiple people speaking simultaneously. With no more hassle of preparing a microphone for each meeting, this allows for easy and efficient operations. Our ceiling array microphone can be used in combination with our new WX-AU202 wireless antenna unit, which allows for 2 more additional channels of audio. This wireless antenna unit runs on 1.9 GHz, like our other wireless microphone systems. When a wireless microphone is in use, the built-in ducking function automatically suppresses the sound of the ceiling array microphone. If someone who is not using the wireless microphone speaks, their voice is picked up by our ceiling array microphone. When speaking with the wireless microphone connected to the wireless antenna unit, it creates crystal clear audio, preventing online echo and creating an even better online and in-person listening environment. Our ceiling array microphone has built-in native integration with our Panasonic PTZ cameras. In this setup, the ceiling array microphone identifies the speaker's position and automatically points the camera in that direction. No external devices, control processors, or licenses are required for control. This allows a simple device configuration for streaming video. Our ceiling array microphone can be easily installed into a 2 feet by 2 feet ceiling tile space. On top of the 2 feet by 2 feet bracket, there are 4 other installation methods to suit your environment for ultimate flexibility. The microphone supports Dante output, allowing single channel or mixed output. This software can control and retrieve various settings and status information for our products. The MicCC allows you to set the coverage area. The settings include dynamic area for all 4 beamforming arrays to pick up sound, static area for one specific beamforming array to pick up sound, and exclusion area for lowering the noise threshold for unwanted sound. In total, you can set up 4 sound pickup areas and 4 exclusion areas. In the audio settings, you can allocate 8 of the 12 audio signals to Dante output channels. Settings include high-pass filter, AEC, AGC, and EQ. In the camera integration settings, you can set up to 16 camera areas for presets for 1 ceiling array microphone to 1 PTZ camera. Camera areas will also work with our wireless antenna unit when using wireless microphones. More advanced settings are also available, such as auto tracking, enabling higher functionality when integrating a Panasonic PTZ camera. The ceiling array microphone can be used flexibly according to the user's operating environment, enabling comfortable communication.